Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today I have decided to take a look at the Kiwi dollar, but in the beginning of the video I just would like to return back to discussion of our trading setup that we have talked about yesterday in our video on the gold market, so where we have made the suggestion where we could take the long position, and indeed, as you can see, it has been completed perfectly. So indeed, based on this ABC top pattern, market has completed all that we would like to see when we're thinking about taking the position. So the action that we also would like to get on the euro currency yesterday, but haven't got it. But here we have everything. So take a look. This ABC top market has completed XOP target right at the conference support agreement. That was an area that we have specified for taking the long position. And second, we've got bullish confirmation pattern. So I mean bullish reversal. That is butterfly. So you can see very clear. I hope you could recognize it. Here we have clear butterfly pattern that led us to take the long position on the gold market. That's what we would like to get every time when we are thinking about taking the long position on any market. You can see indeed market has turned to the upward direction. So entry have taken the place. The gold market we will discuss probably in our weekly research. What to expect, what the target could be, what could happen on the gold market. So, but definitely this is some support from the trade war has started between the major countries in the world. So it's probably it's not just the sparks. Maybe this is the real flame. So who knows? But this definitely provides the support to gold market in a company with a bit softer Fed position. It has been released recently, so that is also stands supportive. Right now, let's take a look at the New Zealand dollar. What we have on the New Zealand dollar, guys, market finally, why I'm in general is returning back to the discussion of the setup. So finally, on the New Zealand dollar market has completed the OP target of this ABC top. So initially, guys, if you remember, we thought that this will happen somewhere in this leg down. We thought that will be direct ABCD. And that's why, if you remember, this couple of weeks ago, we have talked about the New Zealand dollar. We were waiting for completion of the OP, and we said, take a look, this here will be a good opportunity for taking the long position. But this hasn't happened, and market, due to some fundamental reasons, has turned to the upward direction. Now, this final drop down, market finally has complete the OP target of this initial ABCD pattern. This is first important moment. Here, guys, we probably can't speak on the butterfly, although by the shape it looks nice, but extension is not sufficient. So we'll take a look. Here is 127 extension stands below this current market. But anyway, here we have another important pattern. Let's take a look. This is kind of the wash and rinse, because market here was formed consecutive lows, and both of them are washed out by the price action. At the same time, market very fast returned back up above this trend line. So it has returned back up inside of this kind of the consolidation, if it's called, in this kind. That looks bullish. I'm not talking that's probably will be kind of the upward rally and some long-term trend will continue, but some upward action could happen inside of this range that we have. It means that we could follow some tactical targets inside of this consolidation based on the patterns that we have on the intraday charts. Here is also we have some hint of the possible bullish divergence pattern that could be formed with the MACD. So also take a look, guys, major FIB support area, 71.85 major FIB support. Market is not quite at the oversold, but stands rather close to it. So here's also it hasn't been touched, but price action turns to the upside. Well, on the intraday charts, guys, this is another reason why I'm talking today about the Kiwi dollar. So take a look on the reaction, what really has happened here. It's clear shape of the reverse head and shoulders pattern. Besides, on this reverse hand shoulders pattern, market shows perfect price action as we would like to see with the hand shoulders. So you can see I'll just drop down and fast upward action on the second part of the head, on the slope of the head. This is bullish action. It's very, very good action that gives us confidence with the possible upward continuation here. But at the same time, yes, here we have also the bullish divergence with the hand shoulders. It's very, very good sign as well. But at the same time, guys, we see that this market has not quite reached the bottom of the left shoulder. So it's not necessarily should happen, but if it will happen, this will be very nice, because the hitting of the same bottom will provide first it will be the better entry point. Second, it will keep the pure harmony of this pattern. This will be very nice. So that's why I think that the 72 area, this could become very important for us with the thinking about the taking the long position. On the hourly chart, this could be kind of maybe A, B, C top patterns, COP target, but if market will show some higher action and C will be somewhere in this area, we could get, for example, Gartley's triple to sell, and so be A, B, C, D, OP targets could be here also at 72. As you can see, market is moving higher right now. Another pattern that could be formed here, take a look at the extension of this recent swing. It stands at 127 right at the same area. So it could become, for example, the butterfly, something with the action that we see that I have shown you on the gold market. So the final part of this ABCD pattern will take the shape of the butterfly. This also will be very cool and gives us just really no doubts and makes the safe, provides us the safe entry opportunity right around 72. The one risk here exists that the market indeed could start upward action right from here, because mostly, yes, some difference exists, but this leg up is also greater than this one. And theoretically, this is exists the chance that market could reestablish upward action immediately. But usually, guys, when the market forms the kind of the bullish reversal swing, as we see right now on the 4-hour time frame chart, it looks a bit more clear. As you can see, the spike is greater than this one. As a rule, after reversal swing, market shows the compounding retracement, the kind of the ABCD action down. That's why I think that chances that it still will hit the 72 area still exist. This will be just safe to do this, to watch for that pattern and to watch for 72 area, take the long position, by many reasons. First of all, we will get the confirmation patterns as the ABCD maybe butterfly. Second, will be better opportunity to take the positions, just better level to do this. Second, will be also an agreement support. So besides the shape of the hand shoulders pattern will be more harmonic, and lots of reasons for that. So as you can see, the scenario on the New Zealand dollars also looks very nice, and so I think that's worth of our attention. So let's keep watching on them as well.